What is up, guys? It's your little ice cube dude, and today I hope you guys aren't melting. I hope you guys have a smile on your face. Today we will be doing with cooking with Jing, Wei, and Winnie. So today we will be cooking and stuff. So let's cook. Okay, everyone has to wash their hands before cooking. Okay, got the washy the hand. You got to wash the hand. The beautiful hand. You got to wash the hand. Yeah, wash the hand. Wash the hand. Wash the hand. Wash the hand. Oh no. Oh no, it's flooding. Oh, okay. Okay, so what will we be cooking today?
We will be cooking this pie right here.
Okay, we're gonna be cooking this pie over here, okay guys? Don't worry, we're gonna be cooking this wonderful pie for us to eat. Okay.
So you go to your fridge and you grab a paintbrush.
Okay. Yeah.
And you color your counter.
Okay, I'll color my counter.
Okay, so once you're done with that.
Okay, I'm done.
Go to your toaster, you want to cook some toast, and you want to make it really burnt. You don't
okay.
Want to cook food, okay?
Yes, we must make it very burnt. We must make it very burnt. Oh yes, it's very burnt. Yes.
So then we have to put it
in the microwave. Oh yes. As you can see, it's cooking. It's cooking right now. We press all the yummy buttons. Oh, it's done. Okay. Okay, now we do with the toast. We cook it in the pan because we need it more burnt. And yeah. Oh shoot! Oh no! There's a fire! There's a fire! Don't worry, I'm gonna take it out. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Okay, the fire gone now. Okay, nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. Now you put the cake in the oven thing. I'm holding the cake right now. You put it in. You put it in, and now voila! You get your cake. And you slice it up. Now you gotta grab your unicorn.
Put it on the counter.
Oh, yeah, put it on the counter, flying around all over your body.
Grab your knife.
Yeah, grab my knife.
And kill it.
Go die. The unicorn's not dying. The unicorn's not dying. It's following me. The unicorn not dead. 2 hours later, I still killing it. Let's go kill it. Go. Die the unicorn. Die unicorn. Go kill him. Kill the unicorn. 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 2 hours later. Kill the unicorn. Oh, I'm dead. How could you? You killed me. You killed your own cousin. Oh, you will pay for that. Oh crap.
Hey, stop ruining my
Pie. Oh, yes. Guys, I have a floating car. Oh my god. What is going on? Oh my god. Okay. It stopped working, guys. Don't worry.
Where are you? I'm picking you up.
I'm coming. Hold up. I'm gonna play my video game first. Rust. Oh crap. No! I died. This video game sucks. Okay, I'm coming to your house. Do not worry. Hold up. Let me go. I'm gonna. Oh yeah. I went into this ghost house. Oh yeah. Hold up later. Move, you idiots! I don't want to go in your stupid house. Okay, come on. Bring me to your ugly house already. Okay, come on. Grrr. Okay, alright guys, we're gonna be cooking some awesome food. Awesome food.
You wanna go to your fridge, right?
Yeah, go to your fridge.
You wanna grab your video game.
Oh yeah, I got my video game.
Okay, you wanna go in this corner right here.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and then you wanna play your game while you're in this corner.
Okay.
Okay, now we're done playing our game.
No, I'm not. Oh, I was so close.
Okay, enough game for you. You did enough.
Okay.
You wanna go to the fridge.
Uh-huh. Go to the fridge.
Grab your grapple hook.
My grapple hook. Yeah, got it.
And then shove it in there. Shove it in. Oh no.
I shoved it. I'm stuck now.
Oh no.
Oh.
Okay, you just wanna like put it on the counter and shove it in your dead unicorn stuff.
Oh yeah, ew. Wait, no, let me chop the unicorn off. I'm gonna chop it. I'm gonna chop it more into dust. Chop it with my riptide. Yeah,
Okay, once you're done with that, you wanna go to the fridge.
Uh-huh.
You wanna drop your milk.
Milk?
Yes.
Where did you get?
What the certain milk you will.
How did you get milk? Oh, okay, hold up. Don't worry. I got the milk. Don't worry. I just gotta find it. You just gotta find the milk and I'll drink it. Don't worry. No, I don't have enough of milk. Oh Christ. It's okay. It's okay. I don't have milk, but I do have this. I got pirate drink.
And then you wanna microwave it.
Okay. I microwaved it. Now we're waiting for it to come out. Microwave. Oh yeah. We've been cooking for hours. Look, I think it's already dark.
Okay,
It's dark.
Okay, and then you get your warm chocolate milk.
No, I got the pirate milk.
You spread it all around the thing. And then you can drink some if you want, yeah.
Oh yeah. Let me drink some then. Oh yeah.
Once you know that, you wanna go to your vending machine.
Okay, the vending machine. Oh Christ.
Grab some Coke or any other
Okay,
flavor.
I'm gonna grab some Pepsi. I'm gonna grab my Pepsi. I got it. I got the Pepsi.
And don't drinking or you die.
Oh no, I drank it. Oh no, don't kill me, please. I beg you.
Put it down. Put it down. Okay, now you wanna just. Oh my God! Okay, you wanna put it on your counter with the dead unicorn and the microwave the milk. And you're
Sorry, it's too good. It's too good. Oh, it disappeared. Hold up, let me go get another one. Let me just. Don't worry.
You will die, Winnie.
I need more. I can't get any. You know what? I'll just. Hey, I'm gonna chop off the hedgehog as well. Oh, my Pepsi. Oh no. I'm gonna chop the hedgehog.
Oh, yeah.
Chop.
That is not part of the ingredients.
Yes, it is. Don't worry. Would you chop it in there and kill it? And don't forget to add the special ingredients. The special ingredients. Special, really. Ingredients. Special ingredients. Don't worry. Special. Look at all the snow. You got snow in LA. Oh, let's go. Snow, California. Snow, California. Hey. Oh, I know. I could go in here. Oh. No, I won't. No. Oh, yes. Flood. No. Oh, yeah, the fridge. You go in. Your binoculars, okay. I got it.
And then you wanna cook it. You wanna cook it.
Okay, I'll cook it.
Cook it in the oven.
Yeah, I cooked it.
Don't show me those weird faces. You wanna cook it,
Okay,
okay?
I cooked it. Don't worry, I cooked it. Yes, I cooked. Okay, now we soak it. We soak it. No, I'm turning it on. Okay. Soak the binoculars. Oh yes, soak it. Soak it, soak it, soak it. Soaking it. I'm soaking it. I'm soaking it. Oh yes, I'm gonna cook it. I cooked it. Hey, stop it. I'm gonna step on your head. Kill her, kill her, kill her with the spikes. Kill her. Kill her with the You're dying. Oh no, she's alive. Okay, wait. If I beat you in a round of tic-tac-toe, then you're gonna have to leave this house. Alright? Okay, go. Go away, go. Okay. Oh, you're double trapped. Let's go. Oh, I win. Get out of the house, Wei. Get the heck out of the house. Goodbye. Wei's crying. Get out of the house. Get out the house. Get out the house. Okay, she's out. Don't worry. Get out of here. Okay. It's okay because he can't go in. He can't go in. Oh, I'm stuck. This guy won't let me through. Oh, it's a girl.
Okay, Winnie, back to baking.
Okay, back to baking. Come on.
Okay, so then you want to go to your aquarium.
Okay.
And grab the fishies.
There is no fish. Oh, I see an octopus thing. Okay, I grabbed it. Don't worry.
Yeah, grab it, and then you want to get your knife out and chop it down.
Sure. Oh yeah. Okay.
Hey, did you put the fridge in the milk?
No. I put the milk in the freezer.
You needed to put the fridge in the milk, or else the milk will be.
The fridge in the milk? Why would I put the fridge in the milk? If you put the fridge in the milk, oh my god.
Yes. Don't give me those faces. Okay, now you're gonna grab the milk.
I don't have milk, but I have pirate milk. I got the pirate milk.
Okay, you wanna grab the milk, and you want to drink it. You don't want to put in the ingredient, okay?
Yummy.
Okay, now let's go in this corner right here and
Okay.
drink our things.
Okay. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed cooking with Jing, Wei, and Winnie. And don't worry, no. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, stay chill, stay cool, and I just died. Goodbye.